Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this out to you in no time. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you want this item, click the link down below. Add it to your cart and check out. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is the weekend, so just take it easy and relax. A lot of great shows you can catch up on. This is coming from Andobil wireless charger. Over discharge. Whoa. Alright, nice packaging. So this is what it looks like when you get it. Now we're going to crack it open and see what it looks like. So you can use your iPhones, your Androids. They got a lot of goodies, so definitely take a few minutes and check them out. Here we go. Alright, guys. Got my iPhone ready. Got this ready. Gotta stay ready. Come on out. There we go. It's a little shy. Don't be shy, little guy. You'll make it through this. There we go. Boom. We got the USB right here. Probably basic one. Got the Velcro strap. Ooh. This is a pretty long size. USB power. You can always use it to power banks or whatnot. Great for camping. Great for your home office. Your gaming area. Oh, looks like a UFO. Or frisbee or disc golf. Look at that. Nice. I'm going to hop over to the computer. That's where my USBs are at. And test this thing out. I'm liking the design. Really nice. Nice curves. Nice round. Circular. Andobil. There we go. Look at that thing. Ooh, baby. Should be an easy pop in. There we go. Look at that. Professional. Alright, here we go. We're going to hop over to the computer right about now. Alright, guys, we're going to plug it into the USB. Give me 1 second. Now we're going to see if it does any light up shows or anything. Oops. Oh, man. Turn that power off. Shoot. Give it a second. Oh, boy. Hit the wrong switch. Get 1 second. Come on. Okay, that's on. I think this should be good to go. Let's put the iPhone. Boom. Okay, it does light up. Got the blue LEDs right there. It's probably gonna, once it's full, probably be green. Boom. Really nice. So, oops, Siri's on. Turn her off. A really nice USB. Quick charge, I think. So, alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys soon. See ya.